Hello, and welcome back to AI Ed, from Bits to Breakthroughs. I'm your host, Vanessa 2.0, one of the AI-generated avatars here at newbits.ai. Crafted from bits and powered by artificial intelligence, I'm excited to take you on another journey in our series, AI Frontier, Navigating the Cutting Edge. In our last episode, we explored data AI innovations, diving into the evolution of data architectures, real-time analytics, and AI-driven business intelligence. Today, we shift our focus to audio/vision AI evolution, the cutting-edge advancements enabling machines to perceive and interact with the world through sound and sight. From real-time speech processing to multimodal integration, AI is revolutionizing audiovisual intelligence. Let's dive in. The landscape of audiovisual AI has undergone a remarkable transformation in recent years. We're seeing systems that can not only process audio and visual data, but do so with unprecedented efficiency and quality. This evolution is changing everything from how we stream content to how machines understand their environment. Let's explore some of the groundbreaking developments in this space. NVIDIA's Maxine, AI-powered video enhancement and bandwidth optimization, improving streaming quality while reducing data usage. Google's Cloud Vision AI, advanced image understanding with robust object detection and scene comprehension capabilities. Enhanced media intelligence, AI-driven systems revolutionizing media processing at scale. What makes these advances particularly exciting is how they're addressing real-world challenges. By combining improved quality with reduced bandwidth requirements, these technologies are making high-quality visual experiences more accessible than ever. The field of computer vision continues to push boundaries in ways that seemed impossible just a few years ago. We're not just talking about better image recognition, we're seeing systems that can understand and generate visual content with remarkable sophistication. These innovations are reshaping how we think about visual AI. OpenAI's DALL-E, generating high-quality images with precise detail for creative applications. Meta's multimodal AI, research into joint audio-visual processing for improved scene comprehension. Synchronized processing, integration of multiple inputs for enhanced understanding. The real breakthrough here isn't just in what these systems can do, but in how they understand context and relationships within visual data. This deeper understanding is opening up new possibilities across industries, from creative design to automated surveillance. Voice and sound analysis have evolved far beyond simple speech recognition. Today's systems can understand context, handle multiple speakers, and process audio in real time with remarkable accuracy. The advances in this field are transforming how we interact with machines. Google's speech-to-text API, high-accuracy recognition across multiple languages, enabling global communication. Microsoft Azure Speech Services, real-time transcription handling multiple speakers and background noise. Enhanced voice interactions, AI-driven systems enabling more natural communication. What's particularly impressive about these developments is their ability to handle the complexities of natural speech, including accents, background noise, and conversational nuances, making human-machine interaction more natural and effective. Sound quality enhancement has become increasingly sophisticated, with AI systems that can identify and process different types of audio with remarkable precision. These aren't just filters, they're intelligent systems that understand the nature of different sounds. Let's look at the cutting-edge solutions in this space. NVIDIA's Audio Effects SDK, real-time classification and processing of thousands of sound patterns. Adobe's AI audio processing, enhanced sound clarity while maintaining speech authenticity. Accessibility solutions, making AI-powered audio processing essential for media and communication. These technologies are particularly important because they're making high-quality audio experiences more accessible, whether in professional production environments or everyday communication scenarios. One of the most exciting developments in AI is the integration of different types of sensory input. These multimodal systems are getting closer to how humans naturally process information by combining sight, sound, and context. The innovations in this space are truly revolutionary. OpenAI's GPT, advanced text and image processing capabilities. Google's LaMDA, enhanced conversational AI focusing on human-like text responses. DeepSeek's VL, open-source vision language model with hybrid vision encoder for high-resolution processing, advanced integration, sophisticated AI-driven fusion techniques improving machine perception. What makes these developments particularly significant is how they're breaking down the barriers between different types of data processing. Instead of handling text, images, and audio separately, these systems can process them together, creating a more comprehensive understanding of their environment. The creative potential of AI has exploded, with systems that can now generate sophisticated visual and audio content. This isn't just about automation, it's about expanding the possibilities for human creativity. Let's explore these transformative technologies. Midjourney, generating photorealistic images with exceptional detail. 11 Labs voice synthesis, natural-sounding speech across multiple languages and emotions. Creative innovation, AI's expanding role in content production and artistic expression. What's fascinating about these advances is how they're not replacing human creativity, but rather providing new tools and capabilities that enhance what creators can achieve. These systems are becoming collaborative partners in the creative process. As we look toward the future of audiovisual AI, several emerging trends suggest we're on the cusp of even more revolutionary changes. These developments aren't just incremental improvements, they represent fundamental shifts in how machines perceive and interact with the world. Let's explore the key trends shaping the future. Quantum-enhanced processing, IBM advancing quantum computing for efficient, complex computations. Enhanced visual realism, NVIDIA's neural rendering technologies enabling more lifelike visual experiences. Immersive multimodal interaction, spatial computing initiatives exploring AI integration with human environments. AI-augmented virtual presence, Meta's developments in virtual and augmented reality advancing interactive experiences. These trends point to a future where the line between digital and physical experiences becomes increasingly blurred, creating new possibilities for how we interact with technology and each other. That wraps up our deep dive into audio/vision AI evolution. From NVIDIA's Maxine and OpenAI's GPT to Google's Cloud Vision AI, we see how AI is revolutionizing how machines process, analyze, and generate visual content. In our next episode, we'll explore healthcare AI breakthroughs, how AI is transforming diagnostics, medical imaging, and patient care through cutting-edge innovation. Until then, stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, it's all about the bits, especially the new bits.